Scene 3. Back in the forest, Rama, Sita, and Lakshmana are sitting together. Now, the third scene. They are sitting together. Yeah, another tree, they are having fun. Family. Okay. The brother, wife, and the brother in law, his own brother, and Sita's brother in law. Which you say, they were. Sita, husband, look at these flowers. They are not more beautiful than jewels. I found them by the stream. The water is so cool and sweet, and all these fruits I have gathered. They make the finest feast you could ever have. Truly, the forest is a wonderful place. She brings in flowers, Sita, and says, are not these flowers beautiful than jewels? We don't need gold, silver, pearls, wearing these. Aren't these beautiful? She was wearing it on her hair. Much more better than jewels. And look at had been to the stream, the water flowing from streams, rivers, small rivers. The water is so nice and cool and sweet. We drink from that. And all the fruits I have gathered, they make the finest feast we could ever have. Truly, the forest is a wonderful place. Forest is nature. Everything is nature out there. God's created. Whatever you get there is pure. No mixture in it. No chemicals. No medicine, nothing. Rama is saying, Sita, I am full of joy that you are so happy here. I am also so happy for you that you are happy here. Sita, oh Lakshmana, please stop your worrying and be happy for a while. Come and taste this fruit. And Lakshmana was always in the tension, what is going to happen here? He was always tension, what is happening? This is not good, that is not good. Okay. Come, stop doing tension. Don't have tension anymore. Come and have this fruit. And be happy. Look happy. Give a smile. Come and taste this fruit. Now a beautiful golden deer appears suddenly, looking at them. Sita, girls mind, beautiful things they like. Sita, oh look, what a wonderful creature. Oh please Rama, catch it for me so I can have it for my pet. Such a beautiful deer. Oh Rama, please catch that for me. If a woman wants, she can save. If a woman doesn't want, if she gets fooled, she puts everyone into trouble. Right? Lakshman's brain suddenly said, beware, it may be a trick. Something is wrong here. Suddenly, where did this deer pop up from? Sita, oh please Rama, I have never asked for anything before. I have never asked anything from you. Please get this for me. Rama, I will go, but only if you, Lakshmana, will stay and keep Sita safe. Sir, I will go on one chance. If Lakshman, you promise to keep Sita safe here, I will go and get the deer. I will, brother, but you also take care. Excuse me. Rama runs after the deer. Now Lakshman had some powers also. Here I will draw a magic circle around you, Sita. Nothing can harm you. He draws a circle, the Lakshman Rekha, which we say, Lakshman's Rekha. If you come out of that, you will be in danger. If you stay inside there, nothing will happen. No one can touch you. A voice from far away was shouting, help Lakshmana, help, help. He heard some sound, a voice He did not know if it was Ram or not, but he heard a voice saying, shouting, Lakshmana, help, help. Who will else know that Lakshmana is there? Sita, oh no, what's happened? Run, Lakshmana, save him. Again, Lakshmana is saying, it may be a trip. Something is wrong here. It may be another trick. I must stay and protect you. The voice comes again, help, brother, help, save me. Sita is saying, I'm sure that's Rama's voice. You must go. I will be safe here. Go, please. Go now. Lakshmana runs in the direction where that voice was coming from. Bhabhi is also said, my sister-in-law has also said that I have to go. Brother is shouting, I have to go. I have pulled a circle. Now what to do? He was in very big problem. But he was having that sixth sense saying that something is wrong. Just as Lakshmana goes running and he disappears into the jungle, one Brahman comes in disguise. Ravana in disguise. He's taken the look of a Brahman, old Brahman, walking with difficulty. He's not able to walk properly. He's saying, I hear voices. Is anyone here? Or anyone there? I hear some sounds. Anyone here? Sita is saying, yes, old man, I am here. Where? I can hear you, but my eyes are poor. Come closer so I can see you. I must sit down. I am exhausted. If you want to sit, sit. No one is saying don't sit. Sit wherever you want. The jungle is not anyone's grandfather's place. He is trying to fool her. I can hear you. Come. You are saying, where? I can hear you, but I can't see you. My eyes have become very poor. Come closer so that I can see you. I must sit down and take rest. I am exhausted. He wanting to sit down and rest. Sita is saying, sir, forgive me. I cannot leave this place. Sit wherever you want. But my order is I cannot leave this place. Oh child, I need a taste of water. Please get me a drink for a poor, weak old man, then I will go. Say, oh child, forget it. Give me some water. I am thirsty. Yeah, I'll drink a little bit of water. I am tired. Then I'll go again. Sita, I am sure you could not harm me if you tried, old man. You're old. What will you do to me? How can you harm me? Wait a moment. I'll get you a drink. Fine. Sita steps out of the magic circle and is immediately grabbed by Ravana, who throws off the Brahmin's robe. He throws off his Brahmin, that disguise he was wearing, that whatever he was wearing or something on his the disguise, the Brahmin clothes, he threw it away and he caught hold of Sita. I have got you now, ha. I am King Ravana of Lanka, and you will be my bride. Leave your beggar prince and come with me. He has no kingdom, but in Lanka you will live like a queen. Ravana caught Sita in the drama also. Huge laugh. Ha. I've got you now. Leave that beggar prince. He does not even have a kingdom. Come with me. I am the king of Lanka. I am Ravan. He has no kingdom. Come with me to Lanka and you will live like a queen. A real queen. Sita is now stuck. A trick. Now when you get stuck, then you remember, oh my God, what did I do? But before that you should be careful. Caution is better than cure. Precaution is better than cure. A trick. Rama, Lakshmana, help, get away. I will never marry you. You are nothing compared to him. Does a puddle compare itself to an ocean? Help Rama, Lakshmana, help. Never, never. She's trying to save herself. She's pulling, and he's pulling Sita and taking. She's saying, you, a puddle, small place of water in the road, and you are comparing yourself with the sea, with the ocean. Ocean is the largest thing, water and water. He is like an ocean. Ram is like an ocean. You are nothing. Where is Raja Bhoj and you are Ganguteli? You are nothing to him. Rama, Lakshman, help, help. I will never marry you. We shall see. I'll come back in the next video.